This is stronger than anything you've tried so far in the battle against powdery mildew. You'll eliminate the disease in just one day. I'll show you 2 mixtures you need to know. Start by preparing a larger jar. Add 3 tablespoons of garden sulfur. Sulfur acts as a disinfectant, inhibits spore development, and strengthens plant immunity. Pour in 33.8 ounces of water and mix well. The powder must dissolve. Transfer the solution to a sprayer and remember to dilute it with 169 ounces of clean water. Spray the leaves with this mixture. It's an effective protective barrier against powdery mildew. Regular spraying will stop the infection, but that's not all. You can also use this white powder. Baking soda has alkaline properties. It creates an environment where fungi can't survive. Add the baking soda to the sprayer. Dissolve 1.8 ounces of baking soda in 338 ounces of water. Use it the same way as the first mixture. With these 2 solutions, your plants will gain a natural shield against powdery mildew, and you'll strengthen your entire garden's immunity. This solution works throughout the whole season. Natural energy drops for abundant harvests and strong cucumber fruits. This is the best homemade fertilizer that will strengthen the plants and improve their resistance. Pour about 1 quart of water into a pot. It's best to use rainwater, which is natural, soft, and free from chlorine. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial soil bacteria. It helps the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, which speeds up plant growth. The next ingredient is iodine. Iodine has strong antiseptic properties. It protects cucumbers from fungi and bacteria, boosting their immunity. Add a few drops to the water. You can also add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients and create an active solution. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once every 10 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Thanks to this mixture, the soil becomes more fertile, the roots stronger, and the cucumbers firm and plump. This simple combination of natural ingredients acts as a growth booster. No chemicals, no costs, and a huge benefit for your garden. Just a piece of this soap is enough to protect your cucumber crops from blight. Gardeners have been using this method for years because it's incredibly effective, cheap, and natural. If you start to see a white powdery substance on the cucumber leaves, it's a bad sign. There's a simple way to protect them from aphids. This summer, you'll be harvesting cucumbers by the bucketful. Prepare a bar of gray soap. Grate it using a coarse grater. Its use in the garden is brilliant. You should have about 30 grams of soap flakes. Add them to a liter of water. Stir until all the soap dissolves. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the cucumber leaves with this solution. The insecticidal properties of gray soap come from the fatty acids, which are toxic to many harmful insects. It protects the plant from aphids and fungi. The cucumber aphid is one of the species that feed on cultivated plants. Its presence can weaken the plant, or even cause it to wilt. They are mainly found on the younger parts of the plants, on the underside of the leaves, and on the shoots. The soapy foam also cleans the plant of dirt. This homemade spray is cheap and effective. It's no wonder most gardeners use it. This yellow remedy will protect cucumbers and tomatoes from diseases and pests. It will safeguard tomatoes from blight, increase flowering, and boost yields. This natural fertilizer will help your plants grow healthily and produce abundant fruit. You'll need only ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, boil a liter of water. It's important that the water is hot because one of the key ingredients needs high temperatures to dissolve. Now, add 2 teaspoons of an extraordinary powder with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, turmeric. When the mixture cools slightly, add 100 milliliters of the second ingredient, which is rich in calcium and other minerals, milk. This not only strengthens your crops, but also enhances their ability to fight off diseases and pests. Thanks to this ingredient, the remedy will stay on the plants longer. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Wait until the mixture has completely cooled and strain it through a fine sieve. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray the plants once a week. This natural remedy will help your cucumbers and tomatoes thrive, keeping them healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Store the rest in a jar for later use. An old gardener revealed to me what to put in the hole for cucumbers. Thanks to this, I have extraordinary yields. I gather buckets of cucumbers shortly after planting them in the ground. How is this possible? Cucumbers need warmth and plenty of water to grow. You can provide them with suitable conditions right from the planting stage. The seedlings will be able to grow and develop better. Everyone knows that cucumbers grow best when it's warm. You can provide this warmth to cucumbers right from their roots. The method is so simple that it's hard to believe. If you have a lawn and mow the grass, keep it for the cucumbers. You can also pick it from the garden edge. Grass is incredibly valuable for growing cucumbers right from the planting stage. Thanks to it, cucumbers will have warmth right from their roots. Dig a sizable hole. Line it with the previously cut or picked grass. The whole secret lies in the fact that when grass decomposes, it emits warmth. So bury it in the ground where you're planting the cucumbers, and then plant the cucumber seedling on top of it. You can prepare the soil for sowing cucumbers in the same way. As the grass decomposes, it emits warmth, and thanks to this, cucumbers grow like crazy. Water the cucumbers with this. They will grow instantly. In the summer, you'll be collecting them by the bucketful. This simple fertilizer will make them grow like crazy. It will supply them with necessary nutrients. You'll quickly see the difference. The cucumbers will green up and start growing. Prepare a 1-liter jar and pour in some warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast to it. Stir the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir again, cover the jar, and set it aside in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After this time, prepare a 5-liter bucket with warm water. Pour the yeast water into it, and mix everything. This way, we'll get a yeast fertilizer concentrate. For daily watering of the cucumbers, it still needs to be diluted. Before you do that, water the cucumbers first with plain water. It's important to moisten the soil around the cucumbers well. Then use the jar and scoop out 1 liter of concentrated fertilizer. Pour it into a 10-liter bucket of warm water. This bucket will be enough to water about 10 cucumber seedlings. That's 1 liter of fertilizer per seedling. This way you can water the cucumbers even daily, if necessary. You'll supply the cucumbers with necessary nutrients and stimulate their growth. They'll fruit like never before.